Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we pit products against each other in an epic showdown to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a 3D printer face-off that's hotter than a resin spill on a heated bed. On the left, we have the ELEGOO Saturn 3D printer, and on the right, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo. Let's dive right in and see which one is worth your hard-earned cash. Money talks and printers walk. ELEGOO Saturn comes in at a cool $352. Meanwhile, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is priced at a slightly lighter $279. So if you're looking to save some cash for, I don't know, maybe a celebratory pizza after your first successful print, Kobra 2 Neo's got your back. But hey, let's see if ELEGOO Saturn can justify that extra dough. Next up, build volume. The ELEGOO Saturn sports a generous build volume of 218.88 x 122.88 x 250 cubic millimeters. That's a lot of real estate for your ambitious projects. On the other hand, the Kobra 2 Neo... Oh wait, it didn't even bother to flex its build volume in the description. So you know what they say, if you've got it, flaunt it. Point to Saturn. Now let's talk speed. The Kobra 2 Neo claims to cut down your print time by over 65%, with a max print speed of 250 millimeters per second. That's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printing. ELEGOO Saturn, on the other hand, cruises at a respectable 70 millimeters per hour. So, if you're in a hurry to print out that next D&D figurine, Kobra 2 Neo is your speedster. Quality. ELEGOO Saturn boasts a 10-inch 12K mono LCD with a stunning resolution of 11,520 by 5,120. That's like having a 4K TV for ants, super detailed. It also has a Fresnel collimating light source, which sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, but basically means super accurate prints. The Kobra 2 Neo, with its linear propulsion and input shaping functions, aims to reduce spillage and print resonance. Both sound impressive, but Saturn's got that 12K flex. It's like comparing a Ferrari to a really nice sports car. You just can't beat that wow factor. Ease of use is another biggie. Kobra 2 Neo features the ELEGOO 2.0 automatic leveling system, which is like having a mini butler for your printer, making sure everything is perfectly level. ELEGOO Saturn, though, has a laser-carved build plate for excellent adhesion, meaning fewer failed prints. Both have their perks, but if you're a newbie looking to avoid the frustration of manual leveling, Kobra 2 Neo might be your go-to. Software time. ELEGOO Saturn offers VoxelDance Tango software with multiple printing modes and is compatible with third-party slicers like CHIT-UBOX and Lychee Slicer. Kobra 2 Neo didn't really brag about its software, so we'll assume it's decent, but not exceptional. Saturn wins this round for versatility. Lastly, customer service. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo offers a 1-year after-service warranty, with specific coverage for the printhead and heated bed. Plus, lifetime technical support. ELEGOO Saturn didn't mention any specific customer service perks, so if you're the type who likes a safety net, ANYCUBIC's got your back. Summarizing the reviews, ELEGOO Saturn impresses users with its build quality, precision, and large build area. However, it has some reported issues like broken screens, although customer support is responsive. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is praised for its ease of use, fast print speed, and good customer service, but some users noted issues with print quality and noise. Both printers have their strengths, making them strong contenders depending on your specific needs. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly speed demon with excellent support, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is your jam. But if you want to splurge a bit for top-notch print quality and versatility, the ELEGOO Saturn 3D printer is the way to go. Either way, you'll be cranking out awesome 3D prints in no time. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Also, check out the product links in the description. See you next time!